Good day, my name is Deline Richter and I had the privilege of testing two of our new products. The one is the retinol product and the other one is the Lucid Night Cream with hyaluronic acid. So the retinol was amazing. It's a oil-based product that applies very nicely to your skin. Your skin feels rich and nourished, and the Lucid Night Cream with hyaluronic acid has a more moisturizing feeling when you apply it. Your skin feels soothing. So using these products together was very, very nice on my skin. In the morning when I woke up, I could see that my skin looked more has a healthy plumpness to it that makes it look younger, and especially the retinol made my freckles look softer, and I had some dark marks around my eyes and in some places on my skin where the retinol made it disappear. So my skin's color is more even and it looked younger. So I love these two products. I can't wait for it to be launched so that we can order it for ourselves. Thank you, Annie.